Well, the American people aren't stupid.
And it doesn't have greenhouse gas emissions, so it would be stupid for us not to do that in a much more effective way.
As I was pointing out, you don't see them on SportsCenter doing stupid stuff. They play the game.
And then at a certain point, I'll bet a lot of teachers have seen this, kids aren't stupid.
I'm accused of a lot of things, but I don't think I'm stupid enough to go around saying this is going to be like shopping on Amazon or Travelocity a week before the website opens if I thought that it wasn't going to work.
And these kids are amazing, except they make you feel really stupid.
It's crazy. What about our kids? What kind of stupid, short-sighted, irresponsible bull?
Whoa, 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 hey!
What?
Okay, no, hey.
What?
All due respect, sir?
What is normal is teenagers doing stupid things.
Because I mentioned to them, people aren't stupid.
Now, in a movement like Black Lives Matter, there's always going to be some folks who say things that are stupid or imprudent or...
There's a bunch of stuff that seems kind of simple and stupid, but would make a big dent